Hello everyone, students of 7th and 8th classes. Together we all are performing map reading competition.
Your friend invites you to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, then where you goes?
Now I am in Maharashtra. Now I will celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi with my friend.
Where is the Statue of Unity placed?
Now I am in Gujarat.
If you want to see the Blue Mountain, in which state you go?
I am in Mizoram. And here I will enjoy Blue Mountains.
Glaciers are found in which state of India?
Glaciers are found in Sikkim.
Bandhani clothes are found in which state?
Now I am in Rajasthan. And I will wear Bandhani clothes here.
Jammu Kashmir is famous for the cultivation of which fruit?
Now I am in Jammu Kashmir. And here apple is cultivated.
Name the place where trees never shed their leaves and have a dense forest.
Now I am in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Here trees never shed their leaves.
If you ride a camel, then in which state you go?
Now I am in Rajasthan. And I will ride a camel here.
Who is known as the Missile Man of India?
Now I am in Tamil Nadu.
Which state is in mid of India?
Now I am in Madhya Pradesh.
If you want to participate in a boat race, then in which state you go?
Now I am in Kerala. Now I can participate in boat race.
Which ornaments are generally gifted in the marriages, and name the state which is the largest producer of that mineral.
Now I am in Karnataka. I found gold here. Now I can make any ornament from gold.
The crop is harvested in month of April in Punjab, and which is the largest producer of that crop?
I am in Uttar Pradesh. Now I will cultivate wheat.
गंगा के किनारे जोगी सन्यासी हो भोले बाबा के नगरिया धन्य बाय काशी हो भोले बाबा के नगरिया धन्य बाय काशी हो।
First windmill was set up in which state of India?
Now I am in Maharashtra. And first windmill was set up in Maharashtra.
If you want to eat makki di roti and saron da saag, where will you go?
Now I am in Punjab. Now I will enjoy eating makki di roti and saron da saag.
This was all about our map reading competition. We all enjoy a lot. Thank you.